Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to TMP Group. My name is Tom and today is Wednesday. It's the 23rd of March, 2022. It's about 4 o'clock p.m. here in Tempe, Arizona. Markets are closed. After markets are closed. And it was a rough one today, at least for the core holdings in the TMP Group. And for many of my personal stocks, definitely saw red. However, I do believe when in doubt, zoom out. And if we look at where we are over the past 2 or 3 days this week, we are up across the board. If I zoom out to March 1st and look at where the portfolios are from March 1st to the 23rd, we are well up. So we're super excited about that. Excited to have you with me today. I do want to talk about 5 awesome growth stocks that also pay dividends. Mix the two together. So as you're jumping in here, please hit the like button. It helps get this video out to more people, and it will help with the YouTube algorithm. Secondly, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Feel free to share this with your friends and family so others can take advantage of the videos that we produce here and the information that we bring. Speaking of the information, this is for information and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner, not a financial advisor. You should never take anything that we say here on this channel as a indication or a suggestion to buy, sell, or hold a stock. I just want to bring you the information, point you in the direction that we are in, and let you make your own choices from there. Okay, so I have had quite a few people ask me recently to do another video on some good dividend stocks, but also dividend stocks, growth stocks that pay a good dividend. So here we go. I found 5 of them for you, and actually I picked up a bonus one at the end. So stay till the end of the video to hear the bonus stock. And that being said, let's take a look. The first one I want you to pull up is CSCO, none other than Cisco. Cisco pays a 2.72% dividend. Now, Cisco closed today at $54.57. Bank of America analysts have a price target on this at $68. The consensus is a price target in the next 12 months of $64. So moving from $54 to $64, we're looking at about a 20% upswing for Cisco. Now, look at its growth. Over the past year, it's up 9%, and over the past 5 years, Cisco is up 59%. So we put Cisco as our first of the best top dividend stocks to buy for growth and dependable income and safety. And safety is important in this market. Number 2, let's look at HPE, which is Hewlett-Packard Enterprises. Hewlett-Packard pays a 2.82% dividend, so it's not super juicy, but it is consistent. It closed today at $16.80. And Raymond James has the top target on this at $21. The consensus is right around $18. So we're about a just over a 5% increase as far as the target price goes. Now, looking at the 1 year on it, we are up about 9.9% over 12 months. But over the past 5 years, HPE is down 1.79% over the past 5 years. So there's some room to run for HPE. Another stock that I want to throw at you here that does offer good growth and dependable income is Intel, ticker symbol INTC. INTC does pay a full 3.08% dividend. Intel closed today just over $48 at $48.30. Look at the Credit Suisse analyst, top target analyst, $70 for Intel. Now, the consensus is about $54, so we're just over 11% growth on this, hitting that consensus target over the next 12 months. I like Intel because the past year, Intel is down 26%. Let's zoom out, look over 5 years, it's up 37%. See a lot of positive with Intel. We know that Intel and NVIDIA just struck a deal, or are in the midst of striking a deal. And we'll see where that goes. But I use Intel as number 3 for our top dividend stocks to buy now for growth and dependable income and safety. All right, the next one is a pharmaceutical. The next two are actually Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. J&J pays a 2.43% dividend. It's a solid dividend, a dividend aristocrat. It closed today at $174.34. Raymond James has a price target of $185. The consensus is $186. That's a 7.5% upside. Over the past year, Johnson & Johnson has brought us an 8.8% growth, and over 5 years, it's up 36%. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for. Johnson & Johnson comes in as our number 4 or our fourth dividend stock that will give us good growth and dependable income. All right, the last one before the bonus stock is Merck, ticker symbol MRK. Merck pays a nice 3.5% dividend. It was $79.71 at the close today. And looking at the price target, the consensus has this at a $92 price target. JP Morgan is the top is giving the top price on this, a JP Morgan analyst, at $95. So we're looking at a 15%, 15% growth over the next 12 months. Let's zoom out. Let's see where it is over the past year. Merck is up 3.5%. Over 5 years, it's up 24%. I do like Merck and Johnson & Johnson here as heavy favorites. And let's get to the bonus stock. So the bonus stock is going to come at you in a couple of different parts because right now it's not in the best of shape. However, I do see a strong upside for it, and that's Whirlpool, ticker symbol WHR. So WHR pays almost a 3.6% dividend. It's 3.59%. It closed today at $183 flat. Now, the consensus on this gives us a $241 price target. And JP Morgan top analysts give us the top price target of $261. So from here, 183 to 261 gives us another roughly another $78 on top of this stock. Over the past year, Whirlpool is down. Now, we know we've had a lot of supply chain issues. We've had a lot of labor shortages. We've had some issues at the ports, which is going to help or going to bring Whirlpool down, and money's not cheap and it's getting more expensive. But it is down over the past year 16%. Over the past 5 years, it is up 6%. I do see a strong upside in Whirlpool. I think all of these companies, and this is my opinion only, that all of these top companies have rock solid dividends. They're not going to cut them. They're not going to be lowered. And we're covering all parts of the risk spectrum here, from Cisco, Hewlett-Packard, Intel, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, and yes, Whirlpool. I hope you enjoyed the video. There are a couple of links down below in the video to two platforms where you can trade cryptocurrency that are giving away some free cryptocurrency. And if you have a separate portfolio for your dividend stocks or for your trading account rather than your investments, and you're not with either Webull or Robinhood, take advantage of the freebies that they're giving away there. The links are down below. If you have a favorite dividend stock and you made it this far, drop it in the comments which dividend stock you like. I'll be happy to take a look at it. I do believe in having a diversified portfolio, and that will help us to create the generational wealth that we're looking for. Remember, when we invest in companies, we're not just buying the stock, we're buying the company, we're taking ownership of the company. We have to have the patience and the wherewithal to ride it out through the good times and the bad. Adding to the dividend portfolio is something I like to do on a monthly basis. Just a little bit here, a little bit there to build for my wealth chain that I can then pass on to generations to come. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do thank you for stopping by today. Let's go out there and get that money, and I hope to see you on the next video.